Guys, this is Sankalp and today I'm going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A7 2016 model. So this is a pure dual SIM device and upgrade version of the A7 2015 model. That we can on that phone we can insert only one SIM and one card or two SIM cards only. So let us quickly see the specs or price quoted on the box. So this is a 4G LTE Cat 6 device and it has a 64-bit octa-core Exynos processor and it's a full HD Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 4 protection, and it has a 13 megapixel OIS camera, that is it has a optical image stabilization, and it has a 5 megapixel front camera, 16 GB of internal memory, and it's a dual SIM card only. It shows the Indian SIM card. First of all, we have to install the Indian SIM card for the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So also it has a fingerprint scanner and it supports fast charging. We are having the 16 GB model. It's coming 16 GB model only. And let's see the price quoted on the box. The price quoted on the box, let's focus. The price quoted on the box is 6,000 rupees, and as we are shooting the video in May, so today it's coming on Flipkart, Snapdeal, also on various online e-commerce websites for rupees 29,900 or so. So it become very cheaper, and from this only the price of the device is from my opinion it's very high. So let's quickly unbox the device. Actually we have opened earlier, and so this is a dry device in itself, so looking very fine, very fine. So let's put this being aside and see the rest of the contents. So we are getting a quick start guide and user manual and star rating. We are having earphones. These are in-ear style earphones, and push button and volume button also are giving on this, and these are the gold plated. So okay, and we are having a fast charger from this device. So it can so it is showing that adaptive fast charging. Okay, so let's see the, so it has a output of it's a 5-volt charger, and it has an output of 2 amp. So we are getting a pin SIM removal tool and nothing. Oh, we are also getting a data cable for the charger and data syncing. So nothing else. Let's put all the things being inside and see the device itself. So this is a very slim device, but I think it is very slippery because it has a glass over here and here also. Here also Samsung is giving a glass. So let's see the device. So here we are getting the Samsung logo, the earpiece, the 5 megapixel autofocus camera. So, and we are having a bunch of sensors, that is a proximity sensor, and accelerometer. Also we are getting 5.5 inches, that is 5.46 inches full HD 920 by 720 1280 pixel display. It's a Super AMOLED display. Here we are getting a fingerprint scanner on the home button, and it's a Gorilla Glass 4 display, so it is unbreakable. And on the back we are having a 13 megapixel full HD camera with optical image stabilization. So this is very much great improvement, and this is a Samsung logo, LED flash, and this is some information of the device. Here we are getting a microphone and the secondary microphones and SIM tray. On the left we are getting volume rocker buttons, and on the right we are having a SIM tray of SIM 1 tray and micro SD card. Both we can insert here, and SIM 2 we can insert here. Let's autofocus. It's not focusing. Let's put this here. Okay, so this is a slim device, and there is a improvement that in the earlier model we are having the speaker output here. So when we put this device on here, then the sound was very much impressed. So here we are getting the speaker out on the bottom of the device, and the micro USB slot, and the microphone, main microphone, and this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack. So the battery is non-removable. So it has a battery of 3300 milliamp hour battery. So it has a 2.5D Gorilla Glass 4 protection. So we are having a 1.6 gigahertz Exynos octa-core processor, and it has a 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. Let's quickly start the device. Okay, it's saying okay, so the device is on. Let's adjust the brightness so that you can see it better. Okay, so it has a full HD display, and the display is very much vivid, very nice display. So let's see the Android version with the device. And here we are getting, so here we are getting Android 5.1.1 out of the box. So we will be getting the Marshmallow update later on, but it's confirmed that we will be getting the Marshmallow because it is a new device. So let's connect and see the battery info. See the battery info. So it's a 3300 milliamp hour battery as shown here, and it has a great backup, very nice battery backup, and we will giving you the 10 out of 10 for the battery backup. So the brightness is, let me adjust the brightness a little more here. So we are getting a bunch of applications like it has a NFC, smart stay, and little more options, that is power saving, it has a ultra power saving mode, and it is greatly upgraded from the previous version. So let's see the fingerprint sensor. I have adjusted my fingerprint sensor. Now let's see. Okay, it's working very fine. Let's see again. Let's see working. Let's see this one. Okay, very nice. Let's see the camera. So yeah, okay, let's see the camera. So it has optical stabilization. We are all shooting this video on artificial light, so with flash, and without flash. So let's see. Okay, the picture quality is very nice picture quality in the artificial light. Not so great according to the price point, but it's very good, and in the daylight or outside it's working very fine. So it has a Bluetooth version 4.1, and nothing else left. We are having 3 color variants, that is black, white and gold. So we are having a gold variant. Okay, it's support nano SIM card, and nothing else. And do let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment section below. This is Sankalp signing off. Have a nice day. Thank you.